Hey everyone, I'm Vahan, and in today's quick video, I'll show you how to limit your sales leads by country on the FindLight marketplace. As a vendor, you might not offer products or services in certain regions, which is typical and is okay. To help you avoid unwanted inquiries and keep things efficient, FindLight lets you restrict lead generation by country. Let me show you how it works, but first let me get out of the way and bring up the FindLight website. Once you're logged into your account, go to My Account, Restricted Countries. You can see that under My Account, I currently have no restrictions. So I'm going to click Edit to select the country that I want to restrict. In other words, select a country from where I don't want to receive RFQs. If you want to choose multiple countries, hold down the Control key or the Command key on Mac and select the countries you need. In this example, I'm selecting the countries of North America. Once done, make sure to scroll down and save your changes. Now you can see that those 3 countries got added to my restricted list. If things ever change, you can always go back, unselect one or more countries, and then save your changes. Now, buyers from those countries will no longer see the RFQ form on your product listings on FindLight. This will save time both for them and for you. Keep in mind, though, that this only applies to lead generation. If you want to limit direct sales by country, that's a separate setting, which I'll cover in the next video. That's it for today. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow us on YouTube for more tips. And thanks for watching.